G'day! In today's video, we've got an Acer Travelmate P214, model number N19Q7. And what I'm wanting to do in here is add an extra stick of RAM into it, as it's got 8, and it's currently maxing it at about, well, at idle it's using about 60% RAM. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to use a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Take out all these screws. They've all got washers on them. I'm pretty sure all of these will be of the same length. There you go. Those out of the way. I'm going to use a plastic pry tool, so I can lift up a corner here. There we go. Do have this clip around the vent here, just waiting to break off. Go. Now I'm going to disconnect the battery first, because I do want to give this a quick dust blowout as well. Disconnect there. There we go, with that dust blown out. Now look in here, we have a stick of SK Hynix 8 gig 1R 3200 MHz DDR4. Now that just notched in there, push it in, pull it down, clicks into position. In, down, clicked. Now I've got a 4 gig stick. I don't have any 8, so I'm going to go 4 to make it to 12. At least it's going to be a bit more of an improvement. Slide it in, push down, click, click. We do also have the NVMe SSD over here, which on this one is a Samsung model, I believe, a PM991A 256. That screw does seem slightly loose. So I'm going to tighten that up. No, it just has a little bit of flex to it. Next up, put this bottom cover back on. With the RAM, I don't really have to change anything from there. You just physically install it, and you're done. Go. Now it's a matter of putting all these screws back in. So I hope that helps with your RAM upgrade on your Travelmate P214. Bye.